Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very interesting small little nifty tool called as ChatCircuit. ChatCircuit uses Ollama as a backend and lets you branch out your chat history. So for example, if you want to arrange your chat in sort of a chain of nodes, then you can do it easily with the help of ChatCircuit. And the good thing is that it runs all private, all local using your local models with Ollama. If you don't know what Ollama is one of the easiest tools to run large language models locally, and I have already done heaps of videos on Ollama, including its installation, configuration, and a lot of other stuff on the channel. So please subscribe to the channel and also just type Ollama here and search it. You should be able to find heaps of videos on Ollama, as you can see here. So coming back to this ChatCircuit, let's try to get it installed on our local system. Then we will integrate it with Ollama and then we will see how it works. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. So this is my terminal where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy Massed Compute. Let me clear the screen. Also, let me show you my Ollama here. I already have Ollama installed and I have Llama 3.1's latest quantized version downloaded and running. If you don't have it, simply do Ollama pull and then the model's name. And it is going to pull the Llama 3.1 on your local machine. So I already have it. I'm not doing it again. Let me create a virtual environment. I'm just calling it chat and then we will proceed further. And I'm installing it with the help of Conda. You can use Python virtual environment. If you don't know what Conda is, please again search my channel. I already have done a very easy step-by-step video to get Conda installed on Linux, Windows or wherever you like. So Conda is installed here. Next up, let's install all the prerequisites including torch and transformers. Let's wait for it. So all the prerequisites are done. Let me clear the screen. Next up, let's git clone the repo of ChatCircuit and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So all is done here. Now, next up, we need to do the models config. So this is a bit of a unique thing which this project does. I'm quite curious to see that if they would be able to find a proper way of it. So you see there is a model.conf example file. So this is a file you need to create as per your own Ollama settings. Let me try to show you that makes it easier to understand. So just run this command. What this command is doing, it is listing all the models like I did at the start of the video. Then it is just getting the model's name out of that and putting it in this models.conf file. So it is just redirecting the output here. So let me run it. And now if I show you this models.conf file, so it just contains the name and the tag of the model. And if I just show you Ollama list, you see I already have the model running. So this is from where it has got it. Now if you have multiple models, the first model is a default one. You can replace, if you for example have Mistral, you can just simply switch it and then it is going to be your default model with the ChatCircuit. Okay, so let me clear the screen. Next up, let's install all the requirements and I'm just running this pip install. So let's wait for it to finish. It is going to take a bit of a time and that is done. Let me clear the screen. Now in order to run this application, all you need to do is to run this command main.py. And as soon as you run that main.py, it will open it in the, on your desktop like this. As you can see, it is already there, main.py. Now, in order to create a node of chat, just simply click Control and click, and the node will appear. And if you are using Mac, you will do CMD or Windows. And if you have multiple models, you can select it from this drop down. I have just one, so I'm going with Llama 3.1, the default one. And here you can simply type something like hello and then maybe control enter and it is going to start running. It is just talking to your model at the moment, as you can see. So let's wait for it to come back. Normally Ollama is quite fast, but this is one thing which I have experienced with it, that this is a bit slow. And then you can simply create more nodes here. You can talk more. Maybe you can just click here. There is one more. You can just chain them together, or you can just delete them from here. So you see there is another one. You can just clone it by clicking here. Okay, and it crashed. Okay, let me relaunch it. Let me show you actually what happened there. You see it crashed. Very new project, so yeah. And this is the advantage of working on the bleeding edge. So let's click OK here. I'm not sure what that error is about. Let's click here, and then instead of clone, maybe I'll just try one more clone, or I'll just fork it. How is that? Okay, so fork works. Fork doesn't crash. There you go. That is better. So maybe I'll just say write me a Python function to add two numbers, and then control enter. It is running. Let's wait for it. So it has written me that, and this time it is good. That is good. And then you can maybe just say document this add underscore number function, control enter here. It is running. Let's wait for it. I'm hoping that the chain will go. There you go. So here it's updated version with high quality documentation. That is good. Really like it. And of course, I think you can zoom in here. Yeah, that is perfect. So can I move on? Yeah, I can even move it with the mouse here. So I'm just going to drag and put it here. That is nice. Maybe I'll just say fork again and then put it here, and I'll just make a chain of it. And then maybe we can just say also add a function to subtract the numbers, and then control enter. Let's wait for it. And there you go, you have your subtract number. You can also rerun the whole chain by just clicking here. You see it start from first, second, and then third. Cool. So maybe how about if I just change it to JavaScript, and then I just keep it like this. How about if I run it first? Let's see what it does. JavaScript, JavaScript, and third one is also hopefully. Let's wait for it. Should be JavaScript. There you go. So JavaScript. How cool is that? How good is that? Really like the tool. And then of course, it's not just coding. You can do anything else. Now for the language purposes, I am in the first one I have said write me a joke in Spanish, then translate the joke from Spanish to English, and then translate this joke to Arabic. I'll just click here just to see how it goes. There you go, Spanish, and then translate it into English, and then there you go, the Arabic in the third one. Amazing stuff. So ChatCircuit, I am very impressed by the tool. Very simple tool, very nifty tool, all running locally, privately with our own models, and the sky is the limit here. I mean, you could start writing a short story, you could just change it, and then you can go from there. And you can create as many nodes as you like. Really good stuff. So that's it guys. I will drop the link to this project in video description and play around with it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.